No, you. Aaron.
Pollo.
Oh, you're
pretty much
Mario
is.
now, are you? Maybe I'll actually do something then. Jesus.
Wow.
Pollo.
Well, you've been useless so far.
You've been dying. What do you mean?
I've been living, like, a lot.
Been dying.
This is what I think of your nonsense.
Out of my face.
Pollo.
And, oh. Yes.
Ew. Adam's orange.
Oh yeah, I need to change the thing, don't I? What's this one?
Restart. Whoa. Fuck.
Oh no.
I don't like that one. I want to be Knuckles again.
Whoa.
Hi. I mean, Pollo.
Hello.
Wait, who the frick is this?
Welcome.
Okay.
Who are you?
A person.
Miss Circle. Nice.
Is this
well,
friends?
welcome.
Is this friends only, Goldie?
I don't know.
It's fine.
It's
Well,
fine.
you better put in
On
a
my
jolly good
sacrifice.
shift, or else you're getting a bashing. Yeah,
What?
see? That threat works.
Oh, I forgot to put it
well.
on private. Friends only.
I like to think I told her so. Let's go, team.
Pollo.
Back in we're back by ass, not in ass. My bad.
For God's sake, pathetic.
You have something to say, Adam?
Yeah, I do, actually. I've got a lot to say.
Jump off a cliff, man.
Nah,
Nobody cares.
nah, that's bigotry. Can't do that.
I know it.
Pollo.
For you.
Pollo. Pollo.
Oh! I'm falling. No dying here.
Pollo.
Sping,
No
spang, spoddly
fun.
boo,
Oi,
bing,
oh.
bing, boggity boo, bing, ding, diddly dee. I'm first, you lose. Oh.
Oh, bad.
Wow! You tried to kill her,
I mean,
Aaron,
Pollo.
Aaron! Aaron! This way! Aaron, run!
Where are we now? Oh,
Pollo, pollo.
we are here now.
Trying to kill you.
I didn't try to kill him. He's just rubbish at the game. Right, take that.
Pollo.
Kill him. Kill him, Adam. I mean, Aaron. Not the other way around.
Pollo.
Oh, I found a stop sign. Stop
Pollo.
your nincompoopery.
Pollo. Pollo. Pollo.
No looters. No looters.
Pollo. Pollo.
Pollo.
Oh, pollo. Pollo. Pollo.
A key.
Pollo. Pollo.
Things everywhere.
Pollo.
Nothing.
Pollo. Pollo.
What are you two wobbling
Pollo.
about?
Pollo. Pollo. Pollo.
Ah, what's that over there? Oh,
Pollo.
where the hell is everything? There's like nothing here. Come here.
Hiya! Holy shit. Hiya!
What are you on about?
Hiya!
Poyo.
Hiya!
Gus Poyet?
Poyo.
Cookie mold pan. Do I need this key? Probably not.
Hiya!
Shut!
No.
Oh wait, maybe
Who
I do
are
need the
you?
key. I do need the key.
Hiya! 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 Thank
Poyo.
What are you on about?
Hiya!
What
Hiya!
is this?
Poyo.
Hiya!
Oh look, another stop sign.
Poyo.
Hiya! Hiya!
You two are...
Another stop sign.
Poyo.
Hiya! Hiya! Hiya!
Poyo.
Cringe-tacular.
Poyo.
I'm going back. I'm gonna go back.
Wait, don't go back before I have a chance to say things.
No.
Uh-oh.
Hiya! Hiya! You're in.
Right, where are we going?
Hey!
Poyo.
Back!
Oh. Poyo. Poyo.
Hiya!
You are confusing the hell out of me, so I'm going to go where sane people go.
Poyo. 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 Poyo.
Where, Aaron?
Oh. Poyo.
Aaron, come back! Go back! We're going home! Aaron?
Poyo.
Aaron?
Poyo.
Oh dear.
Aaron, come home!
God, these two are a right bunch of losers, aren't they? God dear.
Aaron, come home!
Poyo.
We're going home.
Poyo. Oh, Poyo.
Go on, Goldie. In you go.
Poyo.
Which way now?
Poyo.
This way! This way! Aaron! Aaron,
I don't follow your rules.
go home! Oh, blob.
Uh-oh. Ah, there's loads of stuff.
Poyo.
Many
Poyo.
creatures.
Oh. Go away, Blob.
He's coming to get us.
Oh, go, 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 go! Ah!
Why are we going?
Oh, fuck, I thought you'd fall for it.
Poyo.
Right, someone take that.
Somewhere this way.
God, you two are rubbish.
Oh,
at
this way. Shut up.
I just saw something.
Never turret. Oh, it's around. Go.
Poyo, 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 poyo.
Yeah. Ah.
Beyond. Here you go. You got this.
Where are we supposed to go? Oh, come on, you two layabouts. We've got to go down there.
Poyo. Oh, poyo.
Get a move on.
Poyo. Poyo.
Go on.
Poyo.
Yeah. I don't know why I went there. Oh, Goldie.
Poyo.
Wait, what?
Poyo.
Help me! Help me! Oh, it's Goldie. I'm coming, Goldie. I'll save the day. I'm here to save you. Goldie, I'm here to save you. Well, that went well. Come up here, Goldie. Because she keeps messing around out there. Frick's sake.
Thank God.
What do you mean, thank God?
That makes it easier.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it fucking
No, it
does.
doesn't. What's Goldie doing?
Boyo. She's waiting for your dogs to scoot.
That dog sneaked up on me.
You
That wasn't
lured them all
fair.
to the ship. Oh my God.
God, what? How did you die?
Oh, I distracted the dog to save you, which I now realize was a huge mistake.
No, it wasn't. I got to live a bit longer.
Okay then.
Therefore, it's worth it. Oh, come on, Goldie. Yeah, she saved my corpse.
That was your fault. It was your fault. Your fault. Can't believe you sacrificed yourself for him, Aaron. Would never do that shit.
Can't, no,
not
you
Adam.
you honestly didn't
See?
do that. What the hell?
See?
What the hell?
You're so right, Goldie. You're so right. I'm never gonna do that again. There's a lesson in there. For me,
Adam's
a
an
big, big
intern who
lesson.
doesn't know anything about dogs. That's what it felt like.
What are you on about?
Yeah.
But kept
I-
talking all the dogs.
I came out there to
there.
save you, Goldie. I went
saved
out.
all the
I went out
dogs
of my
from the
way to
pit.
save your life from the evil doggies.
You went out of your way to save the
You-
dogs and take them home with us.
Exactly. You wanted
It's
to
an
get
absolute
huge
fucking
tags.
hoyo.
Well, whatever. Let's go to the next
Pollo.
place.
I can't do anything. You guys have to start.
Me, 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 me.
Oh. We
Does it not work? Oh my god, you glitched it. Fucker.
Hiya!
Right.
Don't
I
worry,
get the best
guys.
equipment.
I know how to. What the? Hi.
I'm very glitched.
Who's?
You are one living glitch, Goldie. I'm afraid to say.
Harky
Can I
Ninja.
Can I reset?
Yeah.
Alright, guys. 10, 9,
Yeah,
8, 7,
guys.
6, 5, 4, Poyo, Poyo, Poyo.
Poyo.
What is this freaking?
Poyo.
Hiya.
That's what Kirby says.
Hiya.
What Kirby says all the time.
Yeah, get it
He
right.
says Poyo.
It didn't.
Poyo.
Poyo is his version of like saying Pikachu.
Pika, Pika,
Poyo.
Pika.
Right.
Poyo. You
This
be
is,
okay. You
this
be
is what I think of
Pikachu.
you right now.
I'll be Poyo.
Yeah, that's
You
what.
know what stop is an anagram for?
Are we landing?
Oh.
We need to land the ship.
Oh, some random.
Oh.
Hello.
Who the frick?
What's up?
Sadder. Appropriate.
Oh.
It's in like
Oh.
Saturday morning cartoon.
No.
The sacrifice.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Yes. You gotta keep an eye on him, he might be German.
Gods.
I'm not
Hey
German.
little boy, do you feel like being part of a good ritual?
What sort of sausages do you like?
Just a total.
Wiener.
What sort of sausages do you like? We'll have them.
Ah, I
Have
heard
your
he said
favorite drink?
Wiener. He said Wiener.
Vin.
I don't trust him. Ah, look. Another reason not to trust him. A flask.
Boyo.
Right. Ting ting. Oh, a key. A key to my heart. Yes.
Boyo.
What are you saying? And why are you saying?
It's what Kirby says.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is in the cartoon.
So Kirby say boink boink.
He said Poyo.
Ah.
Well, I guess in the games he says hi. So I can do that if you want. I can just come from the screen.
Well, hold on. Go. Let's check here. Come back here. Come back here.
Hi.
Come back in here. There's a way over there.
Huh?
Stay in there.
Hi.
Let's go this way. Hello? What?
He's fucking heavy. They steal my loot. I see you, Adam.
My loot now.
Poyo.
Nothing there. Nothing left.
Let's go.
Who's the girl?
Let's go.
Oh.
Poyo.
Right, you go first. So if anyone kills you, you die.
Poyo.
If you die, I'll give you sufficient warning.
Poyo. Poyo.
What?
Poyo. Poyo.
It's a goop.
Poyo. Poyo.
Ah. Goldie. Goldie, we're over this way. Come here. Go through there. Go through there.
You go through there.
Okay. See, I can do it. You should be able to do it too.
I don't wanna though.
Well,
Poyo. Poyo.
ah. Where the frick?
Poyo.
Oh, that took damage. I don't like it.
Oh dear.
Poyo. 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 Poyo.
For you.
Poyo. 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 Poyo.
Oh,
Poyo.
for you. Fine. More keys? I got keys.
Where did the German go?
Bye-bye. Thank you for the loot. I'm going home.
Yeah, we dafty. trap, bother. Oh. Progress. Why did I turn off the freaking light? Ah. Oopsie daisy.
Goodbye, Aaron.
Damn it! I was
Aaron.
far too soon.
Come on, we got loot to take home. We don't care about them, Aaron. We use this.
Where's this German going?
You.
Time to leave.
Oh,
What is this? Freaking South Africans are weird, man.
Okay, Hoyo.
What's this guy doing? He hasn't got anything. Goldie. She got on the blind. Oh, the bits are boring. Get a move on. That was probably a mistake. Uh-oh. Dear God. Where the frick's this guy going? Ah.
Leo.
Well,
Leo. Adam's dead. Dumbass. That he is.
yup.
We goes.
Ah. I died in the silliest place.
Hoyo.
Rigged. Riggage.
Lazy ass employee.
Nah. You killed me.
Did not. Loser.
Ah.
Fell over.
Point back. You point back.
No.
Fell over, littles boy.
Right, one more, then it's haircut time, because my hair is getting so unmanageable.
Nah, it seems like a you problem. Let's go Adamants!
It's
Oh,
abandoned
fuck,
it.
you already did it.
I still don't trust this German bloke.
Bro,
not
don't be
German.
mean. Bro, you soon.
Sichael.
What happened last night?
What?
What was the score at the Euros?
I don't know.
Ah, of course you don't. Yeah, sure. Really.
Okay, I'm starting.
Are you... No! Oh. Goldie, what you doing?
You guys can argue when we land. Get your flashlight, what do you mean?
Yo, yo, yo. The shizzle. The bizzle. Fizzle. I'm gonna go the cool way. Unlike you lot, going the stupid way. Up here. Yeah. That's why they call me the Duke of Cool. Yield. What? Who's there? Who's there? Oh. The German.
Oh.
You staying there?
I'm not German.
What a useless bloody fire exit.
Fucking nonsense right now. Is what I hear.
Oh.
Found the apparatus.
Well, that's that, and this is the...
Well,
Skingle Gingle Gingle. I don't like gingers.
My bad.
Wait.
Yo guys, there's a nutcracker.
Oh, what a
That
shame.
away. That's what I thought.
Goldie, unlock this door with your head. Well, that was pointless. What the hell? You shoot me through the door. Can they do that?
Nice.
How does that work?
Well,
You killed the Jew.
The What?
Gosh.
Huh.
I got shot through the door. How's that work? That's not right. Well, what's freaking Goldie doing now? What? What the hell she... I see.
well.
Oh, we lost... Well, we got to abandon ship then.
Well.
Uh-oh.
Well.
Dear.
Wheel. Wheel.
German left. He gone. He long gone. Might as well leave. Might as well just get out of here. Wait, why's my body back inside? Take us out of here. What's with the smiling? Stop smiling. That's starting to be sad. I perished.
Wheel. Wheel.
Fucking baboon hawk things are weird.
Wheel.
Nonsensical. Let's go. Come on, Aaron. Hit the button. Hit the button. Coward. Yeah! He did the right thing in the end. Unlike Goldie. Ugh. Slanderer. He abandoned us.
Oh.
I told you he'd
Well.
betray us. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
We haven't got enough.
It's alright though, I got you on that nutcracker, we killed it.
Report to the company building
I
immediately
killed
to
it.
sell your scrap metal and other goods. You have 0 days left to meet the profit quota. You can use the terminal
need to go
move the
how?
autopilot to the company building.
True.
Yeah. We're
Nice.
going to the company. Shut up, Goldie.
Hoyo.
Less of that nonsense.
Hoyo.
That's the nonsense.
Hoyo.
Yes, that nonsense.
Huh?
Oh,
Who?
no.
What's
Hoyo.
up?
Hoyo.
Goldie in the house. Tell all. That other person.
Tell all
Left.
nice.
Sping, spang, spiggle.
What do we do now?
Bang,
Why
boo.
you not ready?
I'm gonna put a shovel in the south thingy.
No.
Let you roll. It's okay, we got a shotgun.
We don't need no
Shot. Oh,
shovel.
you killed them. Nice.
Yeah, we'll have to add him, so I just played his fucking brains out.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
God damn.
God damn!
I'm gonna sell this shotgun.
Damn.
It's open.
Oh, yo.
Relevant team.
It's open, Adam.
I'm just calling the tentacle Squidward thing.
Don't call him.
What I gotta say about that?
Right, gang.
Well,
I gotta
that
go
one.
get my hair cut. 'Twas a pleasure.
Go get your hair cut.
And next time, don't be so rubbish at the game. Honestly, I'll just carry you back.
You're rubbish.
You're rubbish.
Have you ever considered your nan's wings?
Crikey.
Exactly.
Right. Ta-ra, everyone.
We got
See ya.
700 by
Bye.
the